I stuck another little song after the 5-minute mark. Imagine standing in a place where the only sounds you hear are the birds, the breeze, and maybe a plum dropping from a nearby tree. That's what this beautiful Bulgarian property for sale near Popovo offers. It's more than just land. It's a peaceful escape surrounded by hills, fruit trees, and nature's quiet charm. And yes, it's 100% real. This Bulgarian property for sale sits just 10 kilometers outside the town of Popovo in the Targovishte region. It's tucked away, surrounded by fields and hills, giving you privacy and space. But the real magic? The land itself. You get 10,000 square meters of Bulgarian countryside to call your own. And most of that, about 6,000 to 7,000 square meters, is covered in fruit trees. Plums are the star here, but you'll find a variety of fruits growing naturally across the garden. This is a Bulgarian property for sale unlike most. It comes with a tiny home, making it a perfect starter spot or countryside retreat. It's simple, but cozy, with an entrance, corridor, one large room, a bathroom, a toilet, and even a garage. There's electricity on site too. So, while you're surrounded by nature, you're not disconnected from modern convenience. To get to this Bulgarian property for sale, you'll travel down a dirt road that cuts through fields and a beautiful forest. The last 4 kilometers are best handled by a 4x4 or jeep, but they are passable and incredibly scenic. It's the kind of path that tells you you're heading somewhere special. If you're someone who dreams of living close to nature, this might be exactly what you're looking for. It's the kind of place that calls to nature lovers, those who seek calm, or anyone who just wants a weekend place to breathe, rest, and hear the world slow down. This Bulgarian property for sale is an ideal getaway. It's for people who want a slice of wilderness that still feels like home. And it's not just for locals. This Bulgarian property for sale is available for both European and non-European buyers. Europeans can purchase directly. Non-Europeans might need to form a Bulgarian company to do so, but that's easy with the right support. Nyama Problemi Limited, a licensed building and estate management company based in Popovo, is here to help. They assist with the entire process, from maintenance to management, even company formation if needed. They've helped many others, and they are ready to help you too. Their services are available through www.bg.house. This Bulgarian property for sale is more than trees and land. It's a lifestyle choice, a chance to step away from the chaos and reconnect with nature, with yourself, or even with your family. Whether you plan to move in full-time or just visit on weekends, it gives you the freedom to decide how much peace and quiet you want to enjoy. If you're thinking about seeing it for yourself, we invite you to do just that. We have the keys in hand, and we'd love to take you on a walk through the trees. You'll see the orchard, the open land, the tiny home, everything. But what you'll really feel is the potential. This isn't just any Bulgarian property for sale. It's one with heart. And there's more to explore. Our new website, bulgarianproperties.co.uk, is still being filled with listings, but it's already packed with charm. It's designed to give you a different way to view the same great properties. You'll find this Bulgarian property for sale listed there, and many more options, too. Even better, there are new mobile apps available from bulgarianproperties.co.uk for both Apple and Android. That means you can browse, save, and revisit your dream Bulgarian property for sale anytime, anywhere. We built the site and the apps to make your journey easier. And we'd love to hear what you think while we continue developing it. Buying a Bulgarian property for sale like this one doesn't have to be complicated. With the support of Nyama Problemi Limited and the tools we've created online, it can actually be quite simple. You'll get a clean title, you'll have electricity already connected, and you'll have a support team that truly wants to help you succeed. The land is ready, the trees are full, the tiny home is waiting. All it needs now is you. Picture yourself here, waking up to mist over the hills, picking a plum straight from your tree, listening to the calm night roll in as you light a fire or sip a warm drink under the stars. This is the kind of life you can live. This is what this Bulgarian property for sale near Popovo makes possible. So whether you're looking for a new start, a peaceful escape, or a nature-rich retirement plan, we're here to help make it happen. Take the first step. Reach out to us. Come visit. Let us show you why this property is such a rare gem. This isn't just another Bulgarian property for sale. It's a little slice of paradise. A peaceful world, just waiting for someone like you.
Packed my bags, I'm out of sight. Left the clouds for sunshine bright. Targovishte called my name one night. Now my life's a sweet delight. Oh, 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 oh. Bought a house where hillsides meet. Nyama, Problemi, made it neat. The village air, it feels so sweet. Planted roots beneath my feet. Oh, Bulgaria, now my song. Every sunrise pulls me along. My kids are laughing, sun shine, shine strong. Life feels right where we belong. Oh, 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 oh. From England's grey to Balkan skies, watching dreams before my eyes. My wife, she smiles, no need to try. Together we climb mountains high. Cobblestone streets and whispers, oh, stories here worth more than gold. In this charm life's tales unfold, a home for young and hearts grown bold. Oh, Bulgaria's now my song. Every sunrise pulls me along. My kids are laughing, sun shine, shine strong. Life